We're stuck?
Yeah. Good thing my wrist isn't broken anymore.
Yeah.
Just a little dirty. Okay, tell them what's happening.
Alright, so here's the situation. Our van is stuck in the mud on this stupid hill in a donkey pen in the mountains in southern Spain. Yesterday we were trying to back down this road to get up to this level area over there, so we would have a nice level area to build the van. Only I backed down this hill and I didn't realize the dirt here is super slick, so we're stuck. So instead of doing the conversion on a nice level area, we are going to tear everything out of the van right now, make it 1,000 pounds lighter, buy some snow chains, hook them up, try and reverse up the hill, and hopefully save Odie from this terrible situation, which I hate.
Demolition starts. Whoa. Oh, that just comes right out. This is fun.
This is the fun part, right?
Yeah. Look at that. This thing was shitty anyway. It doesn't even have screws down here. Oh, it's because it's all rusty. Oy, oy. So I think it's glued.
Cool. While Dana keeps taking apart Odie, I just want to pause for a minute and thank Squarespace for making this van conversion possible. We've had Squarespace now for over 2 years and love how their easy-to-use templates make our Wildly Roam website look beautiful. Plus, you never have to install, patch, or upgrade anything. So start your free trial today and go to squarespace.com/wildlyroam to get 10% off your first purchase.
I think we might need the crowbar.
All right. There you go.
Okay, how do you use one of these things?
It's wet.
Water damage?
A lot of water damage in here. It's very rusty. Look at this. Stuff is so bad for you too.
Yeah. Back in action. That was easy.
Yeah.
Now we got it.
Dana likes demolition.
Haha! Gonna get Odie out of the mud.
Yeah, look at that. Demolition is fun.
It's awesome. It's gonna be our own home now. Look, it hit van floor. They used to have tile in here. Or like linoleum, really.
Whoa, van floor.
I wonder what else is under there. Let's get this stuff out of here. And we got some firewood, hopefully. Should I rip this out? Yahoo!
Ah, good job. All right, attack that water damage.
So you see this? This is why we had to do this. Oh.
More wood.
More wood.
That was a surprise. at that.
Yeah. Check it out.
Bare metal.
So barely any insulation.
Almost none. This is just like plywood.
Yeah. Painted blue, I guess.
I like your really determined face when you do it.
Do I?
You really like make your face into like super.
Oh, that helps, I guess.
It's okay. There's always the crowbar.
Oh, I'm sliding. It's so steep.
Yeah. Your face is amazing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oops. This is death. This stuff is really bad for you.
Yeah. That's not good. I think molding that is probably even worse.
We should probably have masks on, babe.
Probably.
We don't have any of those, though.
If we weren't stuck on a hill and we could go get supplies, this would be a lot easier. We don't even have a wrench.
No. Or pliers.
It was.
What?
Or should I attack this guy? I'll do the bench.
I think do the bench. I can't believe that we were taking the van apart on a hill.
And now it's really steep. I feel like it doesn't show in the video, but it's like if you don't hold your footing, you'll slip.
And especially because it's getting wet now too.
Yeah, the water tank just like gushed everywhere, so we lost like 2 liters of water all over.
What was that?
Crowbar in action.
I think your stomping was more effective.
Wow.
Well done.
Look at that. Well, we got down to the base layer, and they have some of this like fiberglass insulation in here. And this looks like glue plus water damage. There's just like,
it's so soft.
Yeah, I mean there's just like layers and layers of wood, but no one dealt with the actual like problems at the base.
Like the rust and the water leakage.
Every layer we take off just like reveals more problems.
But that's what we like expected.
I mean that was the whole reason we're doing this, is like to make it nice.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whew.
Toss it out.
Stuff smells really bad. Oh god.
As Dana continues to dismantle the fiberglass insulation, I'd just like to take this moment to thank Squarespace for making our van build possible. My favorite thing about Squarespace is that it's really easy to use and it makes your content look beautiful on a range of devices. So we can focus on the important stuff in life, like trying to get our van Odie out of this mud. So go to squarespace.com/wildweroam to start your free trial and use the wildweroam offer code to get 10% off your first purchase.
Go for it, Lou.
Ahora estamos aquí.
Almost.